So I've identified what I think are 4 main reasons why we get so obsessed with this. Everything's got to be good all the time. And I'm also guilty. I mean, I know our gut instinct, and we can talk it, and we can have the philosophical discussion about how life is not good all the time, it's not perfect, but yet we still get sucked into it. We're still influenced by that. So it's like a paradox happening, or this contradiction of what we know is the truth, but how we living that truth. And there's this big chasm between the two. So why? First reason I believe has got a lot to do with what I talk about a lot on this show and in my work. And that is understanding that whatever you are focusing on is physically becoming part of you. It is wiring into your brain as a network. It is becoming part of every cell of your 37 to 100 trillion cells of your body. And it is part of the